Stir the provided ingredients in a basin or a bucket. Make sure the mixture is properly mixed until the texture feels very soft. Then, cover the flour with a paper bag wrap and leave it for some few minutes. Keep monitoring the yeast fermentation process. Turn the mixed flour severally to make sure that the temperature is perfectly maintained. If not, continue to cover the basin or bucket with the polythene wrap for additional minutes. Make sure all your equipments are ready. For example, ensure your cooking gas is properly connected to the source, make sure your pan is clean and dry, also ensure that your cooking spoon and oil is ready together with the holding tray for mandazi. Ensure that your cooking station is readily prepared. Take the mixed flour and cut it into pieces that will be used in rolling the mandazi. It is recommended to smear some wheat flour on the table so as to prevent the flour from sticking on the table. After ensuring that the fermentation process is completely at its best, start rolling the cut pieces of flour to the appropriate circumference of your preference for your preferred taste for your mandazi sizes. In this final step, make sure that your cooking oil is already boiled at the required temperature. Ensure your tray is also readily set for the cooked mandazi to be placed on. Cut the preferred mandazi size and place the pieces on the pan to fry. As the mandazi continues to fry, make sure to regulate the amount of required heat essential for cooking. Ensure that the mandazi turns to golden brown before you remove them from the frying pan to the awaiting tray. The cooked mandazi is ready to be served. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Goodbye.